Hi everyone. This video will show you how to recover Notepad files in 4 different cases. You can try the methods according to your situation. Case 1. How to recover unsaved Notepad files. Press Win+E to open File Explorer. Click on your system drive. Expand Users. User's name. App data. Roaming. Type the symbols and words on the screen in the search text box. Click the unsaved file to restore. Case 2. How to recover deleted lost Notepad text. Method 1. Recover from Recycle Bin. Double-click Recycle Bin icon. Select the file you want to restore. Right-click on the file and choose Restore. Exit the window. Method 2. Recover with Minitool Power Data Recovery. Open Minitool Power Data Recovery. Move the cursor to a target partition and click Scan. Wait for the process to complete. Scan results will be shown by path. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. Case 3. How to recover overwritten Notepad files. Open the folder of the overwritten file. Right-click on the file. Select Properties on the context menu. Switch to the previous versions. Choose the correct version and click Restore. Case 4. How to recover corrupted Notepad files. Method 1. Use Microsoft Word. Open a blank Microsoft Word document. Click File. Select Options in the menu. Shift to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to find the General section. Check Confirm File Format Conversion on Open. Click OK to save changes. Click File again. Then select Open. Hit the Browse button on the left panel. Select the corrupted file and click Open. Select Recover Text from any file and click OK. Method 2. Run the chkdsk command. Press Win+R to open the Run window. Type cmd in the search box. Type the chkdsk command and hit Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Exit the window and reboot your computer. Method 3. Make use of Restore Previous Versions. Open the File Explorer window. Navigate to the location where the target Notepad file is stored. Right-click on the file and select Restore Previous Version. Choose a suitable previous version and click on Restore. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.